In this video, we'll show you how to replace the override button on a thermostatic shower. This is a quick and simple task that should take no more than 30 minutes. Before you begin, ensure the water supply is fully turned off. Please close or cover any wastes to prevent screws or components from falling in and becoming lost. You'll need the following tools: a 13mm spanner for loosening the retaining nut, and replacement button 9.21556. Begin by pulling the override button straight out of the control. Using your spanner, unscrew the retaining nut that sits behind the button. Be careful not to scratch the finish. Once loosened, the entire button assembly can be unscrewed and removed. Insert the new override button into position. Hand tighten the nut, then secure it with your spanner, just enough to hold it firmly in place. Be careful not to scratch the finish. Pull the button to ensure it moves freely and engages correctly.